really like a lot of specifics. So it's often hard to find off-the-shelf solutions that will suit CERN needs. My name is Dmitry. Today I come from CERN, here to DreamX. I've been there for 14 years. I came just after graduating. I started working on little projects, first related to physics, and then I moved to the team that is specializing in the administrative software that is used at CERN basically to help running the organization. So it's not a physics software, but it's more administration like HR, payments, budgeting, and so on. And in case you don't know, CERN is this big physics laboratory that is located on the border between Switzerland and France, that has this large Hadron Collider accelerator where they discovered Higgs boson, the big thing that was on the news around 10 years ago. And that's basically what we're doing there. The main goal is physics, but my team, as I said, is more administrative software, the team called business computing. And we basically there to support the administrative part of CERN. And due to CERN, let's say, complexity and the fact that it's international organization, so there are many laws that are not, they're really specific for CERN. So it's not even, we don't work by the laws of Switzerland or France. There are really like a lot of specifics. So it's often hard to find off-the-shelf solutions that will suit CERN needs. And therefore, that's why my team exists, is that we basically develop software in-house that suits the needs, the requirements of this CERN, let's say, business processes. And it's been for a long time. For example, there's we have a system that is there to handle all the documents in an electronic format. So instead of you running with the paper, there's the web application that you can open and you fill the form, and then it follows the routing to get the additional signatures. And interesting enough, it was developed in early 90s, and it was I think it was the first system like this. And actually there are many, let's say, ideas that were borrowed from there. One is the guy working on the system was then working in Spring. So he actually took some ideas from there. Then also these workflow processes and all this, it actually was starting from there. And this system is already more than 20 years old, and it still works. And it actually solves a lot of CERN cases where it basically helps people do their work more efficient, because you don't need to get off your PC to basically get the order get a new mouse for your PC, or order something very complex from a supplier for the accelerator. And all this is digitalized, and of course you can trace everything. And then there's access rights systems, there's budget planning systems, and all this. It's, for example, our business partners, which are the administrative units at CERN. They have direct contact with the team, with the developers, so we understand the specifics of CERN. They explain, it's easier to understand what is needed, and basically we deliver solutions that are really like focused on solving the particular CERN problem, which might not even exist in other organizations. So that's why homemade solutions are quite crucial for us. Of course, we also try to not reinvent the wheel if possible. So if there's something already existing, it's better to maybe pay the license and just use it. But if we see that no, it's not possible, then yes, we basically do our own solutions, and then we maintain them, and we either retire if there is no need, or we just improve them and they live long life.